to my channel, My Pugalicious Life. If you're new to my channel, my name is Haz, and today I'm going to be making vegan cupcakes. And you're probably wondering why I have chosen vegan cupcakes, because obviously I'm not vegan. Well, yesterday my friend come round, Chloe, and her husband Sergio, and their little daughter Lily, who is like so cute. Basically, she is a little YouTuber and she's got her own YouTube channel called Pretty Lily Lou, and she wanted me to do a pancake challenge with her yesterday, and of course it was pug themed. So if you want to check out the video of me and Lily making pug themed pancakes, just go over to her channel. I'll put the link down below. Don't forget to like the video and also subscribe to her channel, guys. So yeah, I'm going to be making today these delicious cupcakes. Let's get on to making these delicious vegan cupcakes. The recipe that I'm following today, I did print off the internet, so I will put the link down below so you can go and print it off and maybe give the recipe a go. It doesn't actually say what temperature to like set the oven at, so I just decided to set it at 190. So I've already done that, guys. So let's get straight on to what ingredients you'll need. You will first need one ripe banana or avocado. I went for banana because it was a little bit more easy to get hold of, guys. And next you'll need half a cup of Nutella. So I've gone for a vegan Nutella, which I bought from Morrison's, guys. And this was like about £2.50, something like that, guys. So it's pretty much the same price as normal Nutella. Next you will need Afghan nectar. I couldn't get hold of that, guys. So I'm gonna go for Madagascar vanilla extract. And I'm going to put 2 tablespoons of that in, guys. And next you will need 1 tablespoon of cocoa powder. So I've gone for the green and blacks range. Next you will need 1 tablespoon of a coconut virgin oil. Next you will need some dark chocolate or any kind of vegan chocolate. So next you'll need half a teaspoon of baking powder, and then also a quarter of a teaspoon of bicarbonate of soda. And then to make the frosting, guys, you'll need that dark chocolate, or in the recipe they do say a vegan chocolate drops, but I'm just going to use the same chocolate because I'm going to have to melt it in the microwave anyway. So yeah. And then for the second ingredient for the frosting, you'll need some almond milk. And then to decorate it, guys, I bought these gold hundreds and thousands, and then also these butterfly sprinkles, and they were about 95p each from Morrison's. So there you go. So now let's get straight on to actually making these cupcakes, guys. So the first step is to get your avocado or your banana and blend it. I don't have a blender, guys, so I'm just going to get my banana and I'm just going to like mush it with a fork. Once you've finished mushing all your bananas, guys, you just need to add it to your bowl. You need to add your half a cup of Nutella. So I'm just going to grab my jar and I'm just going to add half of the jar. Oh my goodness, guys, it smells so amazing and I really want to try some. But do you find that sometimes when you're cooking cakes and stuff, you start like tasting it, and then when it comes to actually eating your cakes, you're like too full from when you're eating all like the batter mix. So yeah, just add your half a cup of Nutella, or extra if you want to, because that's what I usually do, guys. So once you've added your Nutella, I haven't got Afghan nectar, so I'm going to use vanilla extract. So I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of this. It does say that you can use 4 tablespoons of almond milk, but I'm going to go for Madagascar vanilla. So once you've added your vanilla extract, you then need to add your cocoa powder. So you need 1 tablespoon of this, guys. Mine's probably a bit more than a tablespoon, but I want this to be like extra chocolate. I might just add like a little bit more. Hopefully that doesn't ruin the recipe. Then you need to add your teaspoon, or should I say tablespoon, of virgin coconut oil. And next, all you need to do is blend it all together. So give it a good old mix. Oh my goodness, it looks so good. It looks so chocolatey, guys. Okay, so once you've mixed all of it in together, guys, it says that you now need to give it a taste. So I'm gonna go and give it a taste. Okay, oh my goodness, so gloopy. Oh my goodness, it's so nice. It's really chocolatey, and you can actually taste like the coconut in it as well. It says that if you don't find it that sweet enough, just add a teaspoon of stevia. So I'm going to go ahead and do that, guys, just because I do like things rather sweet, and I thought I'm just going to do this because the recipe said give it a go if you want it more sweeter. So let's see if this works. Going to mix that all in again. So once everything is mixed, guys, all you need to do is add it to your cupcakes. The recipe that I gave you can make up to 6 cupcakes. I just made a little bit more extra batter, guys. Excuse the noise, but Grace and Mary have joined me. And Grace, you can't see it, but her head's popping out. She's trying to see what I'm making. So I'm going to make 12 cupcakes. So all you need to do is spoon your batter mix into your cases. I'm using these silicone ones because apparently they're meant to be really good. I've never tried them before, so hopefully they work out. But these came from Poundland, and you get 6 in a pack for £1. So start dishing out your batter mix. I'm just going to give it a quick mix again. Once you've evened out all the batter mix, I did have to nick some out of some of the other ones because they were a bit too full. All you need to do now is place it in your oven on temperature 190 for about 10 to 15 minutes. Oh, you can see Grace's head poking up there. But if you do need a little bit longer, halfway through, just poke a little knife in. If it comes out still a bit sticky, just pop them back in for another 5 minutes. So guys, I just took my cupcakes out of the oven. They did need a little bit longer than the 10 to 15 minutes that the recipe recommended. And some of them did like sag in the middle. So I'm not quite sure where I went wrong. Maybe I needed to mix it more, maybe add like half a banana. I'm not quite sure, guys, but I kept some of them that came out okay. And they, to be honest, they aren't more like, you know, like a cupcake sponge. They're more like a brownie kind of consistency, which I'm actually, look, there's Mario. Wait, I think he's trying to nick one of the cupcakes. But yeah, the consistency I'm actually quite happy with because I love brownies. So these are more like brownie-like kind of cupcakes, really, guys. So I'm now going to do the icing, but there's a slight change. I decided that icing is a little bit boring, so I'm going to go for butter icing, guys. So to make the butter icing, all you need is 100 grams of vegan butter, and I've slightly melted mine in the microwave so it's a bit more easy to mix. And then also you need your flavouring. So, what are you doing, Mario? So I decided to go for the cocoa powder because I want to make these like really chocolatey. And then you need your ice and sugar, and on the side of the box it says that you need to use around 200 grams of this. So got that, and then you need some almond milk. So to start off with, all you need to do is add your butter to your bowl, and then you need to add your ice and sugar. So it says about 200 grams, guys, but usually I just bung in like how much I want to, really, and then if it's still a bit too thick, I will just add some more almond milk to it. Obviously, guys, that is still like a bit runny. So I'm going to add some more of the ice and sugar. So I've mixed in a bit, and it's still a bit too gloopy to be like butter icing. So I'm just going to add some of my cocoa powder to make it like a chocolate flavour, and then see what consistency it is then. So it's still a little bit like gloopy, so I'm going to add some more of the ice and sugar, guys. I'm just going to add the rest of the bag. Hopefully this does not go wrong, because I literally only have one bag of ice and sugar. Okay guys, so it's starting to look a bit more like thicker, so I'm now going to use the whisk to try and see if I can get it to look a bit more creamy and buttery. So now I've whisked it so it's the right consistency that I prefer, guys. It's probably not like buttercream consistency, but I'm quite happy with it, and I'm just going to give it like a little try to see if it tastes nice. Oh my goodness, it's so yummy, guys. So now I've done all the butter icing, I'm now gonna decorate my cupcakes with the icing and the decorations that I bought. So guys, I'm now gonna ice these bad boys, and I thought that I would try like an icing bag, but literally it was so hard to try and like fill this up because I bought like a double-ended one. So I'm just gonna give this a try. I've never tried this before. I don't know what's going on out there. Grace is attacking something. Oh my goodness, I think I'm gonna give up on the pipe and bag and I'm just gonna use a spoon. At the end of the day, guys, I'm no Gordon Ramsay. So guys, I've finally iced all of my cupcakes and I literally have this much icing left. I think I probably can ice another like 100 cupcakes, but I'm now going to decorate them with some of these gold 100 and 1000s and also some of these butterfly sprinkles. So yeah, let's give this a go. I finished decorating the cupcakes and they look amazing. Hopefully they taste as good as they look, guys. But me and Nikki are going to give one of these a try later on with a cup of tea, and I'll let you know in Friday's video if they actually taste good or not. I hope that you give this recipe a go. Obviously I'm going to put the link down below to the website where I printed the recipe off. Obviously guys, I'm no Gordon Ramsay like I said earlier, but hopefully, you know, they work for you guys. Anyway guys, I hope you enjoyed watching this video. If you did, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. And if you guys aren't already a Pugster, all you need to do is hit that subscribe button down below. And today's shout out goes to, drumroll, Holly Roden. So there you go. And I will see you guys on Friday. Bye.